welcome. This is my first floss tube, and I have a few finishes. One is this American sampler, and yes, I know it is quite small, and I do have a few mistakes in it, but decided to go with it anyways. At one point, I was going to just take it right to here and make it into a drum, but decided why not go the whole way with it and then see. So this is the pattern where it came from. It was a thrift store find, and it was a lot of fun to do. And I tea-dyed my fabric. What I did was I took an Aida, I believe that was an Aida 14, and I washed it by hand. After washing it by hand, I put it in a container, and I put two different types of tea in there, regular tea and black currant tea, and left it in there for about a good 4 to 5 hours to get that coloring, and then rinsed it out. Now, as you can see here, it looks a little faded. I did that on purpose. I wanted mine to look a little aged, so I used lighter colored threads in there. Next, I designed my own little fun winter bookmark. It's a snowflake at top, a snowman with boots and mittens with a snowball and a pipe, 2 hearts, another snowflake, an ice skate, and some mittens. I probably should have put the mittens the other way around. They do look a little funny that way. I designed it on graph paper, but if you don't have graph paper, you can take line paper and just draw the other lines in it and then mark out your pattern. That was a lot of fun to do, and I did this on a scrap. Not sure. It's definitely Aida, but I'm not sure about the count. It was just for fun and to use up some leftover threads. My next project that I finished, I only finished one though, was this pillowcase. Turn it so you can see the details on there, Walmart one. And this is my finish on it. Get the whole thing in there for you. And I did not use the colors that they called for because they don't match the room I'm going to put it in, and I'm only going to use this like a pillow sham, not a regular pillowcase to sleep on. So this is just going to be the pillow sham. But I did the coloring to match the room, and I think it came out pretty good. Now this next one is not a finish. I'm still working on it. I found these in a thrift store, and there were 6 of them, exactly the same. And I noticed on the bottom, as you can see, it says 1981, so somebody had them for a long time. There was no picture to show how to do it or if this was a flower or a sun, so I decided to use my scraps and figure it out from there. The next one I do, I might do it a different color. And this one I'm thinking of making into maybe a pillow and giving it to one of my family members. So that's where I stand with my cross stitching. I hope you enjoyed this and have a good day.